Diane in Denmark, this is our last productivity mix. Let's make this time count. Are you ready? You ready to dive in?
Do you remember?
Yeah, once again, I am here. I've got three. You're actually getting a choice today of tasks. I've got three tasks for you today, which are going to make you feel better, make your home look better, and as always, a little self-care task for you as well. So you get some cordless headphones on so you can hear the music.
How the stars know the night away.
Okay, so our first task for today, I want you to go and tidy just a few minutes at one drawer or one space. And I'm thinking about, maybe you've got a kitchen drawer. When you come in the door, have you got a hall table? You've got a bowl that you kind of dump things into. Beside your bed, or maybe in your office, an office drawer that you can never get shut because it's overflowing. We're just going to spend, a few minutes tidying that out. Are there things in there that have ended up that belong somewhere else? Have you got junk there? Is it something that you thought you had to hold on to? Just a few minutes. Okay, you go and do that, and I'll back with a couple of tips. And remember, let me know which space are you working on today. Where are you in the world? I am in Copenhagen, or as we say, Copenhagen. And the idea behind these little productivity mixes is just to get you up and moving. I'll be starting another series on Monday, but right now we're just working on that space, okay? Here is, you always, if you're feeling a bit overwhelmed, you always think it's going to take longer than it does. And I've got the timer going. We're only working for 15 minutes together, and we can do scary things together. But anyway, let me mix in another song because we're going to be moving on to a bit of cleaning next. We've been doing a wee spot of tidying. Let's go in for some cleaning. Okay, please don't break out the bleach water and the can of Lysol. We're going to be doing a wee bit cleaning, and where I want you to dance to. I want you to dance towards your kitchen or your bathroom, and we just want to clean off the flat surfaces. Okay, so maybe you need a wet cloth, maybe you're using a duster. If you're in your office, can be dusting, around your computer. Okay, just a few minutes, we're doing a wee spot of cleaning. And as I said, don't use the bleach, you use environmentally friendly cleaner or just a little rag. And if you are kind of generally feeling overwhelmed with your home, I am an online cheerleader, your coach here, just coaching you through some daily routines. And as I said, on Monday we're going to be back into those videos where I am showing you how to manage your home, how to get things done, and we're taking away the overwhelm, because we think that we need to do the whole thing at once. No, just a few minutes here and there. And also having a routine for it. It takes the guesswork out of things. But anyway, you keep on cleaning, whether you're in the kitchen or the bathroom or your office.
Now if I can't get down, then tell me why in the hell am I trying to get back up with it? Now if I can't get down, then tell me why in the hell am I trying to get back up with it? Hit it.
Okay, and I make no apologies for playing this track. This is one of the ones that I've been wanting to play these past 2 weeks. We are doing things right here, right now, okay? We're not putting things off. We're not thinking, I'll do that tomorrow. You know what? Tomorrow never comes. Just do it right here, right now. Get up off your buhuke and do a wee bit of work in your kitchen, bathroom, wherever it is. Right here, right now.
Right here, right now. Right here, right now. Right here, right now. Right here, right now. Right here, right now. Right.
All my ladies, pop your backs with it. Ladies, drop with it, lean with it, rock with it, snap with it.
Okay, we're going a wee bit slower now. How's it looking there? Remember, we're just spending a few minutes on these things. Hopefully your kitchen is beginning to look sparkling, or your bathroom, or your office space. If you're in your office, maybe you want to water your plants while you're in there. Has it been a while? And we're going to be moving on to another area in just a couple of seconds, okay? Okay, we're going to be sitting down for the next one, so get ready for that. Okay, I need you to tell me. You're going to plan some things next, and what I want you to plan, I've got a choice for you. You can either plan dinner for the next 3 days, or plan your outfits for the next 3 days. And what I would say to you is, which one would you avoid doing? And go for that, because quite often we kind of do the easy things and we shy away from the more difficult things. So plan your dinners for the next few days. You know, we have been going through our pantries and going through the fridge. Just a few notes, because it really takes away that guesswork. Or alternatively, if you kind of wake up in the morning and you're like, you're always having that kind of late start and fumbling around, not knowing where your outfit is, or if you've got a clean top to wear and wear your shoes, look at your outfits, okay? 3 for both. It's your choice. You've got some good ideas for the rest of us, or what the items that you found in your freezer and whatever last week, let me know. Tuning in from today. I've had so many Canadian people and Australian people. Okay, we've got a couple of minutes left on the timer. Let's make it count. And as I said, I am going to be back with you again on Monday. Don't worry, I'm not going to leave you in the lurch. I'm going to be back with some, planning videos, how to make the most of your week, the new season, decluttering, cleaning, all the fun things, and of course lots of hygge from Denmark. Oh, and I'm going to give you your self-care choices. I'm showing my age with this track. Who remembers this one from first time round? Okay, let me give you the self-care. Let me give you the self-care thing. So for today, again, you have a choice. The choice is yours. The choice is yours whether you follow along and watch these videos and get up and do stuff. First one, if you take like a packed lunch to your office or wherever you work, I want you, when you're at the supermarket this week, to get yourself a little treat. It can be a healthy treat, an unhealthy treat, whatever, but just something that when you get your lunch, it's like, I thought of myself. It's just such an easy thing to do. The other thing is to on social media, there's so much negativity. We're kind of bombarded with feeling less than and comparing ourselves. I want you to go ahead and unfollow one account or one email list or something that doesn't make you feel good. Okay? Only surround yourself with the best people. That's what I do. And another one that I really want you to do is to send a text to a friend, family member, loved one, somebody maybe that you haven't seen for a wee while, and don't bombard them with questions, but just say, was thinking of you. Hope you have a fantastic day. Was thinking of you. Okay? Oh, and the timer is about to go off. Woohoo, we did it. Okay, so we've come to the end of our time together. We have been working for 15, 16 minutes on each of these 6 videos. I hope you have enjoyed them. Thank you for the wonderful comments. I've been really boosted by seeing how many of you actually got things done. And I am just here to encourage you. I've always got my pom-poms with me, and it's been fun for me to stretch my mind. I've been learning this new thing, steep learning curve. But anyway, see you on Monday, and I've also got some news of a fun project coming up. So all I've got left to say is live long and prosper. May the music be with you, and I shall see you very soon with the ra, ra, ra. Bye for now.